Hello everybody, welcome to Mads Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the popular Indian street food potato paneer bread pakoras. To begin, prepare the stuffing. In a large bowl, mix together 1 cup boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 to 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander powder dhania, half teaspoon salt or to taste, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, and 2 teaspoons chopped green coriander leaves. Mix well and keep aside. Next, prepare the batter. In another bowl, mix together 1.5 cups gram flour besan, 3 tablespoons rice flour, half teaspoon carom seeds ajwain, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, and half a teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add in water and mix into a smooth batter. Let it rest for a while. To prepare the pakoras, take 4 slices of bread, spread green chutney generously on all the slices. Spread the potato stuffing evenly on all the slices. Finally, place a paneer slice on one of the slices and cover with the other one. Press it down a bit, cut into half diagonally. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda to the batter and mix well. In the meantime, heat oil for deep frying. Dip the prepared sandwich into the batter and wipe off the excess. Deep fry on high heat till lightly colored. The potato paneer bread pakoras are ready to serve. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top and serve with fried green chilies. For more such recipes, follow me at Mads Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.